Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you an amazing method to remove blackheads and whiteheads using oil. It's super simple, effective, and you can do it right at home. So let's get started. First, you need good quality of oil. I recommend it using jojoba oil, almond oil, olive oil, even you can use coconut oil. In this video I have used coconut oil. These oils are great for your skin, helps to loosen those pesky blackheads and whiteheads. So apply generous amount of oil on your face. Make sure your face should be clean and dry before you started this massage. So now gently massage the oil into your skin for 10 to 15 minutes. Use in circular motion and make sure you cover all those area where you have blackheads and whiteheads. So here I have used my fingers and I got first blackhead. So this is my first blackhead. So after massaging 10 to 15 minutes, you can see blackheads and whiteheads came off. Look at this. There is so much blackhead on my face and I'm removing all these blackheads. So there is so much blackheads. Look at this. I have like so much blackheads. You can see in this picture. Oh my god. And you can see all my blackheads are removed. It's very gentle actually. I have only massaged 10 to 15 minutes and all my blackheads are come off. The process is very gentle. There is no harm. Like if you use kind of strips, it's very harmful or very harsh on your skin. So it's very gentle thing. You need to use this for removing your blackheads. So I will share some tricks and tips on this video. So here are few tips to make the most out of this treatment only. So first tip is do this treatment once or twice a week for a best result. I will suggest you at least twice a week you need to do this. And second tip is make sure to follow up with a gentle cleanser to remove any excess oil. You need to clean your face very well with the gentle cleanser. And third, always moisturize your skin afterward to keep your skin hydrated. You can use water-based moisturizer or you can use Cetaphil moisturizer. It's very good for your skin. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. For more skincare tips and tricks, leave a comment down below. If you have any question or if you tried this method, comment below. And thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.